Stocks wrapped the session and the week with mixed results on Friday after big U.S. banks kicked off earnings season with upbeat profits. But also with big market implications is the developing conflict in the Middle East. It just seems as though everyone and everything just wants to get in your way. Whether it's Ukraine, Russia, Hamas, Israel, or the U.S. government, it's difficult because you just can't catch a break. Well, my advice is to just keep going because sooner or later the other side will give up. Investing is a test of patience and will. All you need is some money, not a lot, patience, recognition of an opportunity, the courage to seize it, and the wisdom to know when to get out. And that's what I've wanted to accomplish with this channel. I believe I have helped some, but I hope I have helped a lot more. So this is the response I've gotten for about the last week. And prior to this, the operators of realtimestockquote.com have indicated that they were losing money and that they may not be able to continue. Perhaps it has come true. For me, this may be the end, as this is the only website I was able to obtain authorization to use their charts. Yes, I know there are other charting programs, but I don't have their authorization, and it's difficult to obtain. It's like pulling teeth from an alligator. That's a dentist joke for you. I'm not actually going anywhere. I just won't be putting out any more content unless the chart program comes back, which it has done in the past. For now, I just want to thank you all for your inspiration. I really appreciated your attention and involvement, so thank you all very much. I will continue to answer any post, and remember, I have 700 to 800 videos, so don't be shy. Until we meet again, ChewDog out.